Hi friends, welcome to Sri Chaitanya. Welcome to JE Max season number 2. This is Uma Shankar, All India AD coordinator. In season number 2 of JE Max, we are completely concentrating on a particular lesson of that complex numbers is very important. And today we are concentrating on the last part of the complex number, that is De Moivre's theorem. Again, my friends, please don't forget to check the description there. I'm providing links of the previous all lessons. And now we are solving the problems of De Moivre's theorem from our Icon integrated textbook. Now in lesson number 48, we are now today concentrating on problems 13, 14 from integrated textbook exercise 5.1. Now coming to 13th problem. This is a very important problem. Please try to read the problem carefully. Prove that one of the values, that means cos pi by 6 plus I sin pi by 6 whole power 1 by 2, cos pi by 6 plus I sin pi by 6 whole power 11 by 2. So how many values it gives? 2 values. How many values it gives? 2 values, because denominator is 2. So one of the values is 0, that we have to show. Okay. First, what is cos pi by 6 plus I sin pi by 6 whole power 1 by 2? Actually, since power is rational, this I am adding a 2k pi general value plus 2 what argument into 1 by 2, where k equal to what? 0 comma 1. This is about first one. So I may get this as what? Cis 4k plus 1 into pi by 12, where k equal to 0 comma 1. So if k equal to 0, this value is what? Cis pi by 12. And if k equal to 1, another value is cis 5k by 12. Okay. Now, similarly, the next one, cos pi by 6 plus I sin pi by 6 whole power 11 by 2. This I can write it as again cis 2k pi plus pi by 6 into 11 by 2, where k equal to again 0 comma 1. So this is cis 2k plus 1 11 pi by 12, k equal to 0 comma 1. So if k equal to 0, again this is what? Cis 11 pi by 12, and if k equal to 1, the value is cis k equal to 1 means 33 pi by 12. One of the value is 0. Sum of one of the value means, suppose if k equal to 0, now I am adding cis k by pi by 12 plus cis 11 pi by 12. This is nothing but cos pi by 12 plus I sin pi by 12. Okay. Plus this I can write it as cos 11 pi by 12 plus I sin 11 pi by 12. This you put it as it is, cos pi by 12 plus I sin pi by 12, plus this you can write it as cos pi minus pi by 12 plus I sin pi minus pi by 12. So cos pi minus pi by 12 is minus cos pi by 12. So this gets cancelled. And this is I sin pi by 12, and this is again I sin pi by 12. So I can get 2y sin pi by 12. This is one way. Similarly, you take another one. That means cos pi by 12 plus cis pi by 12 plus cis 33 pi by 12. You can take that combination, or you can take cis 5 pi by 12 cos 11 pi by 12, and similarly cis 5 pi by like that. You may get 4 different combinations among these 4 values. You may get 4 different combinations. Of that, one value should be equal to what? 0. Okay, like this you can find for k equal to 1, or similarly for k equal to 0, that we got it. Similarly, another combination, not for cis pi by 12 plus cis 33 pi by 12. I am considering this. Again, this is cis pi by 12 plus this I can write it as cis 33 pi by 12, that is cos pi by 33 pi by 12, or this sometimes I may get this as what cos 33 pi by 12 plus I sin 33 pi by 12. So I think there should be something wrong in the statement. Maybe here the power must be either minus or something. You need to find. Again, you please verify the statement properly. Like this only you have to solve. Here with this you will get two values. From here with this you can get again two values. And after simplification, yes, we are right, perfectly right. 38 by 12. Even that also we are not getting it. 34 also. Something has missed here. So by adding all these four values, one value should get you should get that as what 0. Okay, or maybe the power is minus or some mistake is there in the question. Please be careful. And of course, now coming to 14th problem. Find all values of the following. Yeah, root 3 plus I whole power 1 by 4 is given. How many values it exists? 4 values, because rational number 1 by 4 is given and 4 is denominated. Again, what I am doing is 3 plus I, this I am writing modulus amplitude form, that is 2 cos pi by 6 plus I sin pi by 6 whole power 1 by 4. Of course, 2 power 1 by 4. So again, what I am doing is write cos 2k pi plus pi by 6 plus I sin 2k pi plus pi by 6 whole power 1 by 4. This I can write as 2 power 1 by 4 into cis 12k plus 1 pi by 24, k equal to what? 0, 1, 2, 3. So substitute all the values k equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 respectively, you can get answer as this one. These are the all values. Now coming to second question. 1 minus I root 3 whole power 1 by 3. 1 by 3. How many values I may get? 3 values. So again I can write this as modulus is 2. 2 power 1 by 3. Again this is cos. This is x negative, y positive. X negative, y, x positive, y negative. X positive, y, that is minus of. So minus pi by. So this I can write this as cos pi by minus cos minus pi by cos minus pi by 6 plus I sin minus pi by 6 whole power 1 by 3. Pi by 3, sorry, pi by 3. Pi by 3. Minus theta, I can get. So this is 2 power 1 by 3. This is cis 2k pi minus pi by 3 into 1 by 3. This is 2 power 1 by 3 cis 6k minus 1 pi by 9, where k equal to 0, 1, 2 plus. This is the answer for the second question. Now coming to third question. Again I am repeating, these models are important even for advanced examination also. Board examination, mains examination, advanced. This model from De Moivre's theorem application point of view, These are the most important and favorite questions for competitive examinations also. Questions were repeated and asked several times. Standard mode. Next, 1 plus I to the power of 2 by 3. Don't worry, here denominator is 3, so 3 values it can get. So this is root to 2 cos 0 plus, not cos 0, cos pi by 4 plus I sin pi by 4 whole power 2 by 3. So this is 2 power 1 by 2. So 2 power 1 by 3 into this I can write as this 2k pi plus pi by 4 into 2 by 3. So this is a 2 power 1 by 3 cis 8k plus 1 pi by 6 where k equal to 0, 1, 2. So these are the values you can get it. Yeah, absolutely right. This is 8k plus 1. Yes, 8k plus 1. Not 4k. This is 8k plus 1 into pi by 6. You can get it. Because 2 is there now. Because 2k pi is there. 2k pi is there. 2 to 12, na? 2 gets cancelled. That's why I'm right. So this is about the values. Now, my friends, if you like this video, you please share and subscribe my channel, and please don't forget to press the bell icon, and we will meet with the next video soon. Thank you.